Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober day
6.
Day 6. If you missed days 1 through 5, I have created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist, and I will link it above and below so you can catch up on all the unboxing fun. Juliet and I are counting down to Halloween, doing 31 videos in 31 days, and we are having a blast. We hope you guys are enjoying it. If you have been watching all the videos, definitely leave a comment below and let us know what you think so far. What's your favorite gift so far? What do we have today?
We have this.
We have one family gift. We never know what we're getting. Sometimes it's one gift, sometimes it's 5. Grammy just does whatever she wants. So go for it. Julia definitely likes to shred. Be careful, honey. Oh, what is that? Are they like kitchen towels?
It's like kitchen towels.
Oh, these are cute. It says eek. Oh my gosh, how cute.
These are a vibe.
These are a vibe. So we got a set of spooky kitchen towels. Those are really cute. I mean, we do use spooky kitchen towels all year, though. We don't just use them for October and September. When do you guys start decorating for Halloween? I think most people are like, what, September-ish is most of the country.
Do it in October.
There are some hardcores that think you shouldn't decorate till October 1st.
Well, they're probably the ones that decorate for Christmas in October.
That's probably true. And then there's no people like us that will decorate in the summer.
We'll decorate in July.
Yeah. I mean, in my defense, it takes so long to do this setup. It's like you want to enjoy it. You know what I mean? So decorate whenever you want, whenever it makes you happy. All right, this was an awesome day 6. It is day 6?
Yeah.
Okay, I forget the days. And we will see you guys tomorrow for day 7.
Bye.